So my name is Eva, and I'm working for Kabakoo Academies, which is an organization that is based in Mali. I'm very happy to be here and to hear about all those great things. So thanks to Learning Connected in the Africa Center for that. So Kabakoo is dedicated to reimagine the whole learning experience. We are building a Pan-African network of campuses that are focused on innovative learning and skills development. And our aim is to equip the African youth with the skills needed for more sustainable fourth industrial revolution. And to do that, our model blends high-tech and local knowledge to allow our learners to acquire competencies that are actionable in their very own environment. So it means that they ideate and prototype solutions, real solutions, whose implementations will lead to more sustainable forms of living together. This is really a project-based and a peer-based pedagogical approach that we have, and it's also very inclusive, as there is no requirements, neither of diploma nor age, anything. So it's a very open space. And so they develop tech skills such as robotics, 3D printing, electronics, whatever. But also general skills such as communication, how to work as a team, how to develop business plan and so on, because we are not only trying to improve the youth employment, but we really want to develop entrepreneurship. And all those projects that are being developed, they are meant to answer local issue, and therefore to be applicable in a local context, and to be very useful to the local communities. Sorry. And to do that, we have this heterogeneous model where, of course, high tech is really important, but we really want to give some room to the local heterogeneous knowledge, because we really think that this is the way that we can build a more sustainable future. So local knowledge is really important to us. This is really the key element of our model. And other aspects of our pedagogical approach is that we do extend the typical educator profile. So it means that our learners benefit an international network of professionals who share with them their very expertise on any subject. So it's very, very practical advices that they can apply in their projects. And also the learning is self-paced. So it means that we use digital apps, and the learners can self-evaluate themselves in discussion with the mentors and coaches. And it ensures that everyone can learn at their very own pace and according to their personality, to their interests. So we are designed for resilience. It means that we go beyond tech skills, and it's really focusing on lifelong learning and growth mindset. We really try to empower our learners to believe in their capabilities to serve themselves and the community. To do that, we have multiple courses on many subjects, but we had one last year, and it ended in July, and it was focusing on finding a local solution against the COVID-19, and we have beautiful projects that came up of this course. So I have two videos of presentation of two particular projects, so you can have a better and a more concrete view of what we do. The first project is named Kuraya, and it's an upcycling project. The objective is to set up a local production unit of 3D filaments by recycling plastic waste. And the second one is named Encavant, and it's a low-cost artificial respirator, as it's a device that is really missing in the Sahel region. So I'm gonna try to share my screen. I'm sorry, I hope it's... Can you see it? Cool. Sorry, so the first one is Encavant, the low-cost artificial respirator.
Hello, I'm Jimmy Sambo, learner at Kabakoo Academies, co-founder of Kabakoo project.
Is it working on your screen?
Sorry, unfortunately, we can't hear them speaking.
I'm going to try again to see if that works. Sorry.
Hello, I'm Jimmy Sambo, learner at
I'm Seydou Traoré, learner at Kabakoo and co-founder on academic projects.
March 2020 at the beginning of the current coronavirus pandemic had to deal with bad and sad statistics, even more sad in the Southern region. According to statistics published by the World Health Organization, there are only one ventilator for each 500,000 in Africa. So allowed by this constatation and observation, and animated by the will to help in bring up the Anchorvent project. Basically, Anchorvent is a software volume controlled ventilator, and basically what we do is using a blower to generate air, and then using different sensors we are able to measure value like pressure and also temperature and humidity. So using 3D printed bulb and Raspberry, we are able to control all of that and monitor that on a display. Helped by Kabakoo Academy being as the network of experts in medical science and engineering, we bring up after 2 months of postdoc with doctors our first prototype. And after doing a lot of tests and many visits in some hospitals, we come up now with our second prototype, which one we are building and which we will the one we start the certification process. So our main goal is to create an affordable, efficient ventilator that has the same functionality as a traditional ventilator. Because we know that even after COVID, we need to have those ventilators. According to statistics from the World Health Organization, there are more than 300,000 deaths due to air pollution caused in Africa. So we think that our ventilator will help even after COVID.
So that was Ankaran, and I have a very quick second one.
Hello, I'm 21 years old. I'm learner at Kabakoo Academies and I'm co-founder at Korea Company.
Hello everyone, I hope you are well doing. I am Adama Bama, I am 22 years old. I am a student of the Faculty of Literature, Language of Science.
Hello, my name is Usman Kone. I am 27 years old, learner at Kabakoo Academy and co-founder of Korea Company. My role is based on the design of recycling machine.
Hello, I'm Abubakar Demi. I'm 22 years old. I'm a learner at Kabakoo Academy and Korea Company's designer. 2 years ago, I started recycling plastic waste in the Kabakoo Academy. My role is based on the study of plastic and the design of recycling.
Last year, as if out of nowhere, the COVID-19 pandemic changed the world upside down. Planes no longer took off, trains no longer left stations, and ships stayed in ports. The economies of countries such as Mali that depended on ports were severely shaken. As learners at Kabakoo Academies, we wanted to make a 3D mask and facial mask to help medical staff cope with the pandemic. Soon, the lack of raw material like filament 3D printer was felt a solution had to be found. Given the lack of filament in the Sahel regions, given the global problems related to plastic waste, our solution is to use plastic waste to make the filament used in 3D printing. So let's explain the process. To make the filament, we needed two machines that could not be imported as well. So we had to manufacture them. Working with local labor, we have based on the precious plastic model to manufacture a shredder and an extruder. With machines in hand, we choose and buy the type of plastic needed, PET, PP, HDPE, to workers who collect urban waste. Next, the plastic cans are cut and go down our self-built shredder to obtain plastic flakes. Compressed and heated, the flakes are melted in our extruder, whose screw gives plastic the desired shape. The resulting filament is molded to create various objects, luminaires, baskets, and many other handicraft items to come.